Embarking on a train journey is a timeless adventure that transcends mere transportation. It's an immersive experience that weaves together landscapes, cultures, and human stories. Whether traversing vast countrysides, snaking through mountainous terrains, or gliding alongside serene coastlines, a train journey is a captivating exploration that engages the senses and leaves indelible memories. The rhythmic clatter of wheels on tracks and the gentle sway of the carriage create a soothing symphony, transforming the journey into a sensory delight. Unlike other modes of transportation, a train journey offers passengers the opportunity to gaze out of panoramic windows as the train winds its way through of the experience. The concept of a train journey transcends the mere act of reaching a destination. It encapsulates the anticipation, the gradual unfolding of scenes, and the joy of the unexpected. Many iconic rail routes, such as the Orient Express or the Trans-Siberian Railway, are celebrated not just for their efficiency, but for the immersive narrative they provide, allowing passengers to step into a bygone era and relive the romance of travel. From the rustic charm of vintage steam trains to the sleek efficiency of modern high-speed rail, each train journey offers a unique blend of nostalgia and progress. Passengers find themselves transported not only across geographical distances, but also through time, as the train carriages become vessels of shared histories and collective imaginations. In a world often defined by haste, a train journey encourages a slower, more contemplative pace. It beckons travelers to embrace the art of savoring the journey itself, rather than fixating solely on the destination. The gentle rocking motion, the clickety-clack of tracks, and the unhurried unfolding of landscapes create an ambiance conducive to reflection, making a train journey not just a means of travel, but a soulful sojourn through time and space.